following segment is sponsored by Baptist Health.
If you or someone you know is expecting a baby, then you know how important it is to arm yourself with information so that you're prepared for a healthy delivery. Well, Baptist Health is making it easy for you with its Childbirth Academy. Nikki Knowles, Director of Women and Children's Services at Baptist Health, and Jessica Donahue, registered nurse, are here to explain more. Ladies, I just went through this myself, and I do know how important education is because as a first-time mom, I knew nothing, obviously. So education is so important. Nikki, why is prenatal education so important for moms and new moms?
Oh, it's so important, especially for first-time moms. You know, we want them to understand the process of pregnancy, the birth process, breastfeeding, and transitioning into parenthood. Prenatal education, it helps the new moms to be able to communicate with their provider, and it gives them confidence in their ability to give birth. Yeah, and you know, it's important that these new moms understand the process of pregnancy. That way we can ensure that they and the baby have a healthy pregnancy and have a healthy and immediate postpartum period. Yeah. It's also known as the fourth trimester. That's an important part of the pregnancy itself, to, you know, making sure these moms are healthy and these babies are healthy right after they give birth.
For years, parents have relied on Baptist Health for their prenatal classes, but what is different and new with these classes now?
Right, so we've always offered the in-person childbirth class, the newborn care, the breastfeeding classes, but now we have the ability to offer the virtual online classes through the Baptist Health Childbirth Academy.
Okay, so Jessica, let's dive right into it. Yes, what are we going to be learning through the academy?
So through the Baptist Health Childbirth Academy, moms are going to be able to take a childbirth class. Individual classes are sold for childbirth, breastfeeding, and newborn care. And then we also have a 6-class bundle that's really the best value. So they get childbirth, newborn care, and breastfeeding, but they also get a class on healthy pregnancy and parenting and baby safety. So we have either individual classes or the 6-class bundle available.
What kind of learning format are you offering through this?
So the learning format is all online. So once the parents purchase their set of classes, they're going to go to the platform and they'll be able to take those classes. They have 365 days to view all the content so they can go back and forth. Of course, it's done from the comfort of their own home so they can do it on their own pace. But the platform is also individualized, meaning that if they have questions, they're going to be able to put those questions in a chat box, and some of the nurses from Baptist Health, our maternal child experts, are going to be able to answer them. So it's really the best of both worlds. It's not just an online class where you have to figure things out for yourself. You are going to have the support.
Nikki, if families have questions, how can they reach out and get those questions answered?
Oh, well, they can go through the Baptist Health website. There's a class and resource section that they can ask questions, or through the Baptist Health health line.
Okay, so this is growing too. You have big plans for this.
Yes.
Spanish-speaking families will be able to access this soon too, right?
Yes, that's one of the really biggest benefits of having an online platform, is it is going to be available in Spanish. It's also not just available to anyone who's delivering at a Baptist Health facility. This is a statewide initiative for moms in Arkansas to be able to easily access quality prenatal education.
Explain how this is going to be personalized for the parents as well.
So when they get in the platform for their classes, it's personalized in that they're going to be able to communicate with nurses that may be taking care of them when they actually go into the hospital, if they are delivering in one of our hospitals. It's also personalized because the mom gets to choose the content that's most important to her. Imagine, you know, definitely first-time moms, you know, they're going to want to take all the classes. But perhaps you're a second-time mom, and you just need a little bit of a refresher on some of the things because you've been there before. So it's very personalized, individualized, and we think it can be very valuable to moms in Arkansas.
I love this because you had mentioned that people who it's not just for people who go to Baptist. It's truly for anybody. And this, it sounded like it was a need. People were reaching out to you asking if there were virtual options. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Yes, that is correct. We were getting a lot of feedback in recent years of, are there online classes? You know, we've always had in-person classes, and some people do want to learn that way, but people have different learning styles. And also, moms are busy, and so you might not be able to schedule to come to the hospital on a Wednesday night for a series of classes. And so this meets a lot of people's needs.
Okay, Nikki, so where can we go to access this academy?
To the Baptist Health website. There's classes and resource section, or you can call the Baptist Health line, or you can also get information from the Baptist MyChart.
This is new for 2024, so this is a big
Yes.
deal. It's great access for families across the state. Ladies, is there anything else we need to add to this that we should know about?
They had the number on the screen, and I think it'll be available on your website as well. So.
Perfect.
Yes.
Ladies, thank you so much for coming in.
You're
I really
welcome. Thank you
appreciate
for
it.
having us.
Absolutely. All right, we'll have more Good Morning Arkansas after the break. Stay with us.